तेरा वीडियो स्टार्ट तेरे हंसी से हुई रही है, बीच में भी नहीं। वेलकम टू पौंडीचेरी। So yeah, we are finally in Pondicherry and this is our villa. A quick tour of the villa. इधर right side पे we have the kitchen. इधर छोटा सा table है to keep your stuff. Seating area है उधर and this is the bed. थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं। This is the washroom. Hello. So yeah, all in all, a very decent place, very tidy, very neat, and the best part about it is this beach. This property is right by the beach. Let's just go up and have a look at how the view looks like. Oh yes, amazing. So peaceful over here, and yeah, you also have like a little seating area. Whenever you're feeling like it, you can sit in the outdoors. And right there is the whole beach. We've reached Pondicherry and we've settled in our villa. Pure cheeza are titar bitar, but pretty much this is the gist. But let me show you guys one thing. Oh yeah boy, that's the beach right there. As you can see, I gave you a tour earlier. Right now we are heading out. We are absolutely famished, have to eat something or else we'll probably kill ourselves. So we'll head right out and then we'll have something. And इधर हमने ऑर्डर किया है फिश 65, प्रॉन्स करी और फ्राइड राइस। सो
कुप्पा मिर्ची डाल के ले लेके आया था, दिखा मेरे को
ऐसा ये रे कितना क्वांटिटी। And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our small villa. Welcome to Pondicherry. We've just walked all the way from back there till here and look at the view. It's absolutely gorgeous. These rocks are a bit slippery but slippery, but you gotta be careful and it should work just fine. Yeah. Amazing weather out here. Nice. Dinner is served and we have to wake up early in the morning to catch the sunrise. So yeah, catch you all there. Okay, something had gotten into me that morning. I just couldn't stop laughing. See for yourself. So after waking up, I don't know what had gotten into me, but I was just laughing like a crazy person, and it literally took me 15 takes to take this shot. But yeah, finally took it, so here it goes. Go. Yes, go back. Go back. No coming outside. Yes. Hurry. So yeah, the rest of the day was spent at the beach. We did nothing. We were just roaming around. और फिर ये मछली को हम देख रहे थे कि कब वापस पानी में जाएंगी. It was a very pleasant day to say the least. Good morning everybody. This is the next day and yeah, we're heading out for lunch soon. So catch you there. We've ordered the seafood thali, so you get fish fry, you get lobster tandoori, you get crab cakes and tandoori prawns with french fries, a little bit of rice and mayonnaise. Okay, did you guys try this goli soda? I never have and this was like the first time I did. Nice.
मामा अपना आधा दिन नहीं निकल जाता।
So yeah, it's our day 2 here in Pondi and we've come to the rock beach. As you can see, it's very beautiful. We're also trying to come here in the night, and the street lights and everything will be on in the night and it will be very beautiful. But yeah, we just had our lunch and this is where we are right now. So Rock Beach में ही ले पॉन्डी करके एक restaurant type cafe भी है. So we're here and we're gonna try some coffee over here.
अरे मैं एक लेके दे दे तेरे को. अरे इसमें वॉइस रिकॉर्ड कर रहा तो ये
नहीं ऊपर डाल दे तो बे रोल है मेरा. So as you saw the B-roll, we are enjoying some coffee over here. This is how the coffee looks and this is the view. So हमने अभी डिनर भी कर लिया and we've come to GMT. This is like a very popular ice cream spot in Pondicherry, a must try when you're visiting here. So yeah, this is how everything looks there and everything was so delicious.
There. That's horrible.
कहाँ पे जाएंगे रे? तेरा बता नहीं. अरे तो सब लगा स्टार्ट हो गया. और उधर बता दे बस. अरे तो हाथ के को दिखा रही है.
मैं क्या करूं फिर, जॉब छोड़ दूं?
राइट साइड बीच. लाइट से बंद कर दे. नहीं आ रहा. अरे this is the next day. We woke up late, so here we are having our brunch. We ordered some prawns, club sandwich and this amazing mint cooler which was just out of the world.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding there.
उतने heavy brunch के बाद we just thought of burning off those extra calories और फिर हम पौंडीचेरी के सड़कों पे घूमने लगे. The French inspired architecture and everything इधर बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. Should definitely roam about. उसके बाद we were feeling very tired, so we went back to the room and then we came to this cafe called as Coromandel Cafe to have our dinner. तो in frame है tiger prawns. We've ordered chicken breast, filled chicken breast and some margarita pizza. After having this dinner, we clicked some pictures and then we headed back to the hotel room to rest for the day. So we took 2 pesto chicken sandwiches, cheesecake and 1 olive chicken sandwich. All in all a good meal. तो big breakfast के बाद ये plan है कि we are gonna go to Paradise Beach. वो बहुत ही दूर है, about 15 to 20 kilometers from the place, but yeah, let's see if it's worth it. ये था Paradise Beach in all its glory. We had to pay 80 rupees per person to get in and yeah, I mean it wasn't really worth it traveling so far and you know it was just like any other beach. And till the time we got back to the main city, it took us quite some time. The evening time we went to this cafe called as Cafe des La Arts and yeah, we had some cold coffee over there and headed out to have some dinner afterwards. So yeah, उसके बाद हम dinner करने गए. So everything that we're having is in frame right now. I ordered some chicken green Thai curry. My friend ordered fried rice and my other friend ordered some chili chicken. This is basically our last day in Pondicherry and it was a great meal to have before leaving for Chennai tomorrow morning. We probably have some time. We'll be going somewhere else to have something and then heading out for the airport. So yeah, catch you guys in the morning tomorrow. Good morning guys, ये हमारा last day है Pondicherry में. We've come to this place called Tanto's pizza place and it's supposed to have some amazing pizza. So yeah, let's try it out. हाँ नहीं मैं वीडियो ले लूँ इसलिए फोटो लाइट ले लूँ.
खींच हो जाए प्लीज.
खींच वीडियो में आता खींच. नको देख नहीं हो रहा. ऐसा ले ले. अरे बेचारा वीडियो के लिए हाथ जला ले. क्या पता नहीं कर रहा. नहीं
इधर मार रहा रे, इसकी निकाल रहा रे.
So we are finally back in Hyderabad. भूख लग रही थी हमारे को, so we came to California Burrito. उधर के rice balls बहुत ही मज़े के रहते हैं, so we are just gonna have something and we are just gonna head back home. So yeah, all in all, that was it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, definitely hit that like button, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll catch you all very soon in another video. And for those of you guys who've managed to stay back until now, definitely don't miss the end credits. Okay then, bye.
अरे नहीं पागल हो रहा है दादरा जंगी